In early 1965, Selma, Alabama became the site of a civil rights campaign to enable black voters to register. On Sunday, March 7th, 600 people set out for the state capitol in Montgomery, 50 miles away, hoping to gain national attention.
'Cause tonight we can't be as one. Tonight, broken by those under children's feet, bodies strewn across the dead end street. But I won't heed the battle call. It puts my back up against the wall. Sunday.
We're tired of being beaten by policemen. We're tired of seeing our people locked up in jail over and over again. And then you holler, be patient. How long can we be patient?
How long must we sing this song? How